Wisconsin, southeastern Washington County, and southeastern Wisconsin until 4:15 p.m. At 3:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Jackson, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include West Bend, Mequon, Grafton, Cedarburg, Port Washington, Jackson, Soapville, Fiendsville, and Ridgefield. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.